The captivating world of bamboo decor, where the graceful, natural forms of this remarkable plant are transformed into stunning, sustainable design solutions that bring the beauty of the outdoors into our everyday lives. Let me take you on a deep dive into the multifaceted realm of bamboo decor and uncover the endless creative potential it holds. Bamboo, with its distinctive segmented stems and lush, verdant foliage, has long been revered in many cultures for its versatility, resilience, and inherent aesthetic appeal. As a material for decor and interior design, bamboo offers a wealth of unique qualities that make it a perennial favorite among design enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers alike. One of the primary allures of bamboo decor lies in its inherent sustainability. As a rapidly renewable resource, bamboo can be harvested and replenished much more quickly than traditional hardwoods, making it an exceptionally environmentally friendly choice for a wide range of design applications. This, coupled with its impressive strength-to-weight ratio and natural resistance to pests and weathering, has transformed bamboo into a go-to material for those seeking to reduce their environmental impact without compromising on quality or aesthetics. But the appeal of bamboo decor goes far beyond its sustainable credentials. The material's distinct visual characteristics and tactile qualities lend themselves beautifully to a diverse array of design styles, from the clean, minimalist lines of modern Scandinavian interiors to the warm, natural tones and organic textures of rustic, earthy design schemes. Imagine, for instance, a sleek, contemporary coffee table whose top is crafted from neatly arranged bamboo slats, their linear patterns and natural variations creating a mesmerizing, almost graphic effect. Or envision a cozy, inviting bedroom adorned with a striking bamboo headboard, its delicate, interwoven strands casting alluring shadows and adding depth and visual interest to the space. Beyond the realm of furniture and wall decor, bamboo's versatility shines through in its myriad other applications within the world of interior design. Bamboo baskets, vases, and decorative accents can imbue a room with a sense of warmth and natural harmony, while bamboo window blinds and shades offer a sustainable, low-maintenance solution for controlling light and privacy. One of the most captivating aspects of bamboo decor is the way it can seamlessly blend traditional craftsmanship with modern design sensibilities. Around the world, skilled artisans have harnessed the material's unique properties to create breathtaking, one-of-a-kind pieces that celebrate the inherent beauty of bamboo while pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Imagine, for instance, a stunning bamboo pendant light, its intricate, woven form casting a soft, diffused glow that transforms the ambience of a space. Or envision a series of bamboo sculptures, their sinuous, organic shapes serving as striking focal points that blur the line between art and functional design. As the demand for sustainable, eco-friendly design solutions continues to grow, the role of bamboo decor in shaping the future of interior design becomes increasingly pivotal. Designers and artisans around the world are constantly exploring new and innovative ways to harness the material's unique properties, creating design solutions that not only captivate the senses but also inspire a deeper connection with the natural world. One aspect that I find particularly intriguing is the way bamboo's inherent versatility allows it to seamlessly integrate into a wide array of design styles and aesthetic sensibilities. Whether you're drawn to the clean, modern lines of Scandinavian design or the warm, organic textures of rustic, nature-inspired interiors, bamboo can be skillfully woven into the fabric of your space to create a truly harmonious and visually striking result. Imagine, for instance, a sleek and minimalist living room where a stunning bamboo coffee table serves as the focal point, its linear patterns and natural variations complementing the room's clean-lined furniture and muted color palette. Or envision a cozy and inviting bedroom where a delicate bamboo pendant light casts a warm, diffused glow, adding a touch of natural elegance to the space. But bamboo's design versatility extends far beyond just furniture and lighting. It can also be expertly incorporated into a wide range of decorative accents and architectural elements. Bamboo window blinds and shades, for example, offer a sustainable and visually appealing solution for controlling light and privacy, while bamboo wall panels or room dividers can add depth, texture, and a sense of natural warmth to any space. One of the most captivating aspects of bamboo decor, in my opinion, is the way it can foster a deeper connection between the indoor and outdoor environments. By bringing the natural beauty and organic forms of bamboo into our living spaces, we can create a seamless flow between the built and natural worlds, instilling a sense of tranquility and harmony that can have a profoundly positive impact on our overall well-being. Imagine, for instance, a lush, bamboo-filled garden oasis that seamlessly transitions into a bamboo-accented sunroom or patio, blurring the lines between interior and exterior and inviting the soothing presence of nature into our everyday lives. Or envision a cozy, bamboo-clad meditation space, where the material's calming textures and natural hues foster a sense of inner peace and mindfulness. But bamboo decor isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about sustainability and environmental stewardship. As a rapidly renewable resource that can be harvested and replenished with minimal impact on the ecosystem, bamboo offers a truly eco-friendly alternative to traditional hardwoods and other materials that can be resource-intensive or even environmentally damaging. By embracing bamboo in our design choices, we not only create beautiful and functional living spaces but also contribute to the preservation of our planet's precious natural resources. And as the demand for sustainable design solutions continues to grow, the role of bamboo decor in shaping the future of interior design becomes increasingly important and impactful. As we continue to explore the boundless creative potential of bamboo, I'm excited to see how designers, artisans, and visionaries will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's through the creation of stunning, one-of-a-kind furniture pieces, the innovative use of bamboo in architectural and lighting applications, or the seamless integration of this remarkable material into our daily lives, the future of bamboo decor is brimming with endless possibilities. One aspect that I find particularly intriguing is the way bamboo can be expertly crafted and manipulated to create truly breathtaking, one-of-a-kind design pieces that blur the line between art and function. Imagine, for instance, a stunning, handcrafted bamboo sculpture that serves as a striking focal point in a minimalist living room, its sinuous, organic forms casting mesmerizing shadows and inviting closer inspection. Or envision a series of intricate, woven bamboo wall hangings that transform a bare wall into a mesmerizing, textural work of art, each piece a unique expression of the artisan's skill and creative vision. These types of bespoke, artisanal bamboo creations not only captivate the senses but also inspire a deeper appreciation for the inherent beauty and potential of this remarkable material. But bamboo's creative potential extends far beyond the realm of standalone art pieces and sculptures. Designers and artisans are also finding innovative ways to seamlessly integrate bamboo into a wide range of functional design elements, from elegant, sustainably sourced furniture to captivating lighting fixtures and architectural accents. Imagine, for instance, a stunning bamboo dining table, its sleek, minimalist silhouette complemented by the warm, natural tones and subtle variations of the material. Or envision a bamboo-framed mirror, its delicate, interwoven strands casting alluring shadows and adding depth and visual interest to a hallway or bedroom. And as we've discussed, the ways in which bamboo can foster a deeper connection between the indoor and outdoor environments are truly captivating. By incorporating bamboo into our living spaces, we can create a sense of harmony and flow that transcends the boundaries between the built and natural worlds, inviting the soothing presence of nature into our everyday lives. Imagine, for instance, a lush, bamboo-filled courtyard or garden that seamlessly transitions into a bamboo-accented sunroom or patio, blurring the lines between interior and exterior and offering a tranquil oasis of calm and rejuvenation. Or envision a cozy, bamboo-clad meditation space, where the material's calming textures and natural hues foster a sense of inner peace and mindfulness. But the true beauty of bamboo decor lies not just in its aesthetic appeal or its environmental benefits, but in the way it can inspire a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the boundless creativity of the human spirit. By embracing this remarkable material in our design choices, We not only transform our living spaces but also contribute to the preservation of our planet's precious resources and the preservation of traditional craftsmanship and artisanal techniques. As we continue to explore the endless creative possibilities of bamboo decor, I'm excited to see how designers, artisans, and visionaries will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether it's through the creation of stunning, one-of-a-kind furniture pieces, the innovative use of bamboo in architectural and lighting applications, or the seamless integration of this remarkable material into our daily lives, the future of bamboo decor is brimming with endless possibilities. So, let your imagination be guided by the natural beauty and inherent versatility of bamboo, and discover the myriad ways in which it can transform your living spaces, inspire your creative vision, and foster a deeper connection with the natural world around us. The journey of bamboo decor is one of endless fascination and reward, and I'm thrilled to continue exploring it with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.